Alright, so today we're going to be doing the mini tins. So there are 10 tins in this. So this is going to be a case. Not a case, but like I guess it could be a case opening. So we got a bunch of different Pokemon designs. And each tin should come with 2 packs and a coin. I like the art on some of these. Actually, all of them. They're all pretty good art. All right, let's go with the left side. Fighting coin. A little bit of information on Machamp. So there's 10 specific arts per tin. Let me see if I can update the lighting. There you go. 2 packs. All right. Let's see what we have. Jeez. Code card. Cool, Rat-tat-tat. Pincer, Bill, Golbat doing his thing again. Slowbro, and Bill. Cool. Second pack. These packs are definitely going to be cost effective if you are looking to just strictly get packs, you know, extra bells and whistles. So, code card. Definitely suggest picking these up if you're just looking for a quick pack opening. Parasect, Poliwag, Chansey. Tin number 2. This one is a Dark Energy. Gengar and Poliwag. Gotten a lot harder to open. Or I'm just weak. Try not to damage it. Code card. Mouth. Execute. Fairy. Machamp. Can we get a Pidgeotto? Pedro. No Pidgeotto yet. Code card. Pidgey. Oh, Metapod. Now I finally got him. I don't know why some of these seemingly common cards are so hard to find. Tentacle. Raichu. Alright. 10, 3. Steel. This time it is a Magneton in Ekans. Right. Gold card. Charmander. Spearow, Bellsprout, Magikarp, Machoke, Dugong, Nidoqueen, Mankey, and Machamp. Alright, next pack. Gold card. Psyduck. Onyx Dragonair. Seadra Charmander. Golbat, and oh, okay. I'll take this one. I think I've been getting a lot of Mews. I got the gold one recently. Huh. Alright. Tin number 4. This one is Dragonite and Vileplume. Yeah, Vileplume. So this coin is Dragon? I think Dragon. Alright. Code card. Krabby. Sandshrew. Seal. Duo Bill. Golbat. Leftovers. Eevee. Leftovers again. And Weezing. Luck has definitely been all over the place. Trying to see if there's anything. I try not to hope too much for it, pretty much. Just try to see what cards that I can at least be able to pull while I can still. Ooh, I've already pulled one of these. I don't want another dupe, but I'll take it. Not trying to be ungrateful. It's just something having to pull a duplicate, and it's just like, I'd really rather get another card I don't have. Normal? Maybe. I think normal. Alright. We got Meowth and Hitmonchan. Alright. This is the last tin on the left side, so let's see what. Whoa. I don't know if that was me opening it. Jesus. Oh boy. Hopefully there isn't anything in this. Porygon, Venomoth, Electrode, Dratini, and Bill again. Yipperoo. Cold card. That is just crazy. But I don't think it really takes anything from like the other slots. Yep, Zapdos, I already have him. I think that's like my third one now. I really would be like, hey, can I trade you some Zapdoses and some Bills for some Wigglytuffs and some Arbok? Because I really am missing those. Maybe even a Pidgey, maybe even a Pidgeotto. Alright, Scyther and Weezing. And Grass. Alright, so what do we have in this set? This is just strikes. Code card. Sandshrew. Ooh. Pidgeot. Well, no Ditto. Poliwhirl. Well, nothing in this one. I think I have to slow down. I'm not trying to be dropping packs. Alright, code card. Execute Clefairy. Pikachu. Krabby. Beedrill again. Getting all the Beedrills now. Haven't been getting Beedrills for like a straight period of time now. Getting all Beedrills. Same thing with Squirtle. I don't know if just like certain areas just get hit like droughts on certain cards. But I I don't know. I've just been getting these weird, like I'm not getting any of these specific cards. So this is Fire Energy card, and Arcanine, and Omanite. Alright. Farfetch'd. Okay, I think it's the second one I've got. Oh, this. Oh! Finally. Oh my goodness. Primeape. And Ditto. Finally got that damn bird. Okay, now I can complete that. Code card. Nidoran female. Voltor, Butterfree, Lapras, Old Town Road, Aerodactyl, and oh my goodness. On to the next 10. This time Slowpoke and Sandshrew. Was it a ground? Poison? Water? Water. I don't know why it looks like not blue. Alright. Card. Now I'll get over here. Code card. Magikarp. Odyssey's Pot Plant. Pidgeot, Diglett, Vaporeon. Yeah, unfortunately I think this is looking like I'm gonna have to end up buying the singles that I need to complete this. It is getting really hard to not run into dupes. Weeping Bell, Executor, Graveler, Clefairy, Venonat, and Vileplume. Alright. This time is Electabuzz and Magnemite. Magnemite's electric, let me guess. Electric. There's the art card. Please don't give me another Zapdos. Oh my god. Code card. Can I at least get an Arbok or a Wigglytuff or something I don't have? Whoops. Golduck. Bellsprout. Doduo. Alright, next pack. Card. They definitely don't tell you about these bloopers whenever you're making these card packs openings, because it is just chaos right now. Whew. My champ. Alright, last 10. This is Poison or Psychic. Hitmonlee and Kadabra. Alright, last 10. Is there anything I can get out of this? Or at least something new that I don't already have. Alright, code card. Kadabra. Drowsy. Bulbasaur. Okay, I'm seeing some cards I haven't normally seen before. I don't see normally. Oh, there we go. Coming. Arbok. Whew. Alright, last pack. Just got the Arbok. Can we double it with the Wigglytuff? That's all I'm asking. I'm not asking for anything crazy, just a Wigglytuff. At the very least, can I at least have that? Squirtle, Lickitung. Why does it feel like this